down on right here in the Abu Dhabi sunshine. Brilliant. Stifled appeal for a catch behind. You didn't hear anything on the stump microphones. Foxing, that's called foxing. You've been around a long time in the combat. Just trying to fox one out of the umpire. The Irishman also. Ready to the man in short cover. Just to click his fingers as the ball goes past the outside edge. That's an unnecessary shot from Najibullah. A little bit of bowling, but that's not great batting. Interesting innings for Afghanistan. Abdullah Gurbaz has looked fantastic. Everyone else is really battling to find any kind of timing or any fluency. Even Hamadi at the top was sluggish. Finding a way back in. This is a good contest. Really good over that from Kevin O'Brien. Just a single from it. 35 overs have gone. Afghanistan 106. We have a drink. Also the shots from Beyonce in the commentary box and given because Elifla, how do you assess his innings? It's been a sensational innings. Not only great shots against the quicker bowlers, cool shots of real class and timing, but also against the spinners. He's hit them hard down the ground. Very onside player, it looks like at the moment. Some great players that had that strength. So he was a real quality. One of the things I really liked about him is he had to fight through tough, quiet period in the middle when he was losing a lot of his partners. He had to keep his own cool and make sure that he's still changing one in front of fighting. Yeah, the next spinner against him. To the onside. Taking shots, but losing 2 wickets. 120 times, moving 120 and after that. Plus strong wickets. What was the ball spot was wickets. It's been a great fight back. cross onto the offside. It means the ball's beating the bat on the inside edge too often.
There were some common features about it. Najibullah and Gulbaz building it again. Reconstruct this innings. Catching the pitching is losing the extra wants to be onside. Plenty of open spaces there. What is the key figure in developing innings, especially when you're playing with the hiatus of 14 months or so for a batsman? How difficult it is to find a perfect routine?
Your routines are important. Part of your method of concentration.
Excellent effort on the boundary there.
Right, this field on the boundary. Simi Singh, I think, had deep mid wicket. Up on the floor, waiting two for his side. Good piece of cricket here. Gulbaz. A little short, with his compact pull shot. Easily on the boundary without that piece of field. Simi Singh.
Just once again, plenty in communication there.
Gulbaz's running between the wickets has been, in part, quite amusing. Perhaps not so amusing for his partner.
It's a fumble once again. He should have gone for that single. Against a fumble, finally counts the batsman to take a single. We have to address this.
Crucial posture awareness and contingent tenses. Perco, we've got your back. Visit perco.co.uk.
The Sunday roast, where everything just stops. Only Bisto Best Gravy will do, made with real meat juices. Bisto.
Well, if you go at the rate of 8 runs per over from this position, 285 possible, which will be a daunting task for Ireland to chase down. Gives room, edges, and it will bring him a boundary. A lucky boundary there for Gulbaz.
Fortune favours the brave on this occasion. Gulbaz going hard, trying to get it over mid-off. Swinging himself out. It would be fair to say that he didn't quite watch that as carefully as he did. On hard, but he's got away with it. He deserves a little bit. That's absolutely beautiful.
Trolls, they got the man on the boundary, but he has found the gap, and it's traveled all the way for a 6. Back-to-back boundaries for Gulbaz. He's accelerating.
Yes, Kevin O'Brien had bowled a really good spell of 4 overs, none for 6 before those 2 balls. Start 2 balls. It wasn't that short, but at that pace you've got to be absolutely spot on. Gulbaz has punched it.
The Afghans are getting into that comfortable territory. Once they get into this tempo thing, once they find some kind of momentum, they're momentum players.
Yeah, and that momentum has just picked up a little. Gulbaz went through a period where he didn't face many balls. 1.5-hour period as wickets were falling the other side. And the new batsman was struggling to get off strike. But he's
is a fielder. Misses line from him initially, and then reaction won't help. Couple times for the batsman there. And Lynch's shot attempted there.
My picture as wall decoration.
My picture first thing in the morning.
My picture for time spent together.
We turn pictures into memories. Excellent customer ratings and a best price guarantee. Wall decor, photo box, and many more photo gifts. Order now at mypicture.co.uk.
A fine partnership at the top of the order, 120 of 134, and no partnerships still 25 of 30. Bars and shot. Excellent shot. Wow.
Superb cricket from Lars. Yes, he's in. Yes, he's been in for a while. Just shimmied his feet inside the line. A little bit of width. Brilliant.
Good sensible cricket. He's running hard, he's pushing his back. Coming back. Second. Excellent running. Excellent cricket from Afghanistan. Last couple of overs have been fruitful for them.
In the last over, he's in a promising position. But some very promising things. Since then, so it's young. Learning from people like Nadi.
It's coming down to the third man boundary here. Long chase for the fielder. It's a boundary.
It's good work. Foot down here. Obviously didn't mean the ball would go there. Again, it was the right shot to that ball. Gamble bowling the part-time batsman at Delaney isn't quite happening for the Irish.
Shifting gears and shifting gears. The right. Junction to the 127 of 126 is fair game. It's full through. Short ball. And there's a fielder on the boundary, and he's been caught on the boundary. Wicket at a time where they were building a partnership.
Well, the gamble has actually worked. Good on Andy Balgurney. Recognised the conditions, he recognised that spin was what was causing the batsman problems. He brought on the part-time leg spinner. Bought a wicket. Yes, he was expensive. Here he's dragged it down. Genuine long hop, actually. Genuine. But you see this with the leg spinners. For whatever reason, they do tend to take those types of wickets. He's hitting straight into the wind.
What an outstanding Sunday before Emmanuel Agurbaz. 127 of 127. It's 198 for 6.
She's had to cancel. Sorry.
Family dinner then. Sounds movie night.
Classic. Having a quiet night in.
An outstanding 100 for Gurbaaz, 127, 127, 38 for Emily in possession of the nets. It is sensational batsmanship on his debut. Attacking shots, strike position, the batting coach, HD Patterson, more than happy to make he has one more business. There will be areas to work on, but excellent display of the amount of talent that Afghanistan possesses, especially guys coming from under 19 cricket, the kind of temperament that they are showing. And also the future of Afghanistan cricket.
It certainly does, and that's a lovely moment between coach and brilliant young player. Obviously, Ackerman enjoyed his work so far with Afghanistan.
And he's found the gap. Will pick up a boundary. Then McCarthy introduced and conceded a boundary.
It's easy control from Lucky Boy. I'm surprised that man is up actually. Beautiful, beautiful piece of control from Lucky Boy. To pick up a boundary straight after the loss of the bunch. That's a lovely moment there. You know, H.D. Ackerman will be very proud of the way Gurbaaz played. He's giving some immediate feedback. Gave him a little ruffle in the hair. Very well done.
Striking that has caused problems for both the Afghan batsmen. Every time when they were accelerating, they were taking the momentum into the batting department. And one of the Gurbaaz tracker finding the fielder on the boundary.
You can see why he tried to hit it for six, absolutely. But he didn't miss it to the other factor was, if you can pick it up on camera, the flags were playing quite hard, directly against the direction of that shot. Knocked the ball up in the air.
Reconstruction gets the demand at the moment. So should we think about this preserving the wicket for next 3 to 4 overs and then looking to take the last 6 to 7 overs? Should they continue with the same way, the momentum of playing some attacking shots?
I would say that they really do this what they need. 6 down, all wickets in hand, still got 11 and a half runs. Very important for him. That is why McCarthy's been brought back. Number one, because historically Najibul has not enjoyed facing quick bowlers. And brought back their brilliant pace now. Not only in special scoring, but also to get him up. Very important message for us.
Shot. Tantalizing because the number of films that you can have on the boundary in this phase of the innings till the 40th over.
This is a tactic that a lot of sides will use against Najibul. Got that bounce a bit too high. It's the right tactic to use against him. I'm particularly comfortable against him. It certainly doesn't punish the ball so much as he would off the front foot.
But the way he gets it over the top of the fielder there. The runs here. As he put it on.
Excellent piece of fielding. This is a
the ropes there. This will explain it better. I think he has done it. Excellent job. Because he would provide entry around the ropes there. Should be easy to see for the umpire. 18:37 is the pace. Kevin O'Brien, good commitment. Just to make it time. What do you think? You said it.
I personally think it's a very good match.
18:37 is the pace. Easy for Shiniwari.
Look at the combination of the pictures, this one with the picture from up above the mountain. Pretty sure we can save that.
Before there is no movement of the rope here. Now it's moving and the ball has already left his hands. Brilliant work from Kevin O'Brien on the boundary. First, Bakula has a strike. So 2 men on the boundary on the onside, finally from the boundaries. And 39 over second ball, 11 overs to the ball. It's 205 for 6 wickets. My picture has wall decorations.
My picture first thing in the morning.
My picture, the time spent together.
We turn pictures into memories. Excellent customer ratings and a best price guarantee. Wall decor, photo books and many more photo gifts. Order now at mypicture.co.uk.
Well, if we go at the rate of 5.26 runs per over, 263 which will be competitive score. Looking at the conditions, and it
Yeah, it certainly will. 60 out there will be tricky because of fast stance spinners and trios. It's excellent to see how well the Irish spinners have done here. And seems excellent. Ryan, brilliant. O'Brien, his lack of pace, also been
well, if we go
effective.
at the rate of 5.26 runs per over, 263
Outstanding skills. As I said earlier, work quite closely with him. His particular skill is hitting boundaries. Not brilliant at rotational strike. Doesn't sound too much, but he hits the ball beautifully. Nice piece of theory.
Reverse
Keeping the
attempting.
batsman honest. This is his challenge. This is not. Interesting to see how Omazai responds. Basic form, scoring realistically. The youngster plays for the bars, playing for Stones as a team together. Well, I think if he gets the right ball, then yes. But Singh is in really good form. He's very confident in the previous game.
Hitting a short shot,
Not that
making
easy
innings
against
and playing big shots or go to the next level. Especially on debut, Ireland may have the best 5 dot temperament here, but on debut it's different. Nervousness it plays a part. I made no one. So Azmatullah here to open his
Discover the Perco T-shirt. This smart second skin helps increase your posture awareness with its patented pencils. Perco, we've got your back. Visit perco.co.uk.
The Sunday roast, where everything just stops. Only Bisto Best Gravy will do, made with real meat juices. Bisto.
target continuing. After the faithful at the non-strike lane there, it was shown by Azmatullah. The Anoop does there. It will make the time acceleration.
Yes, it will. I've got to rebuild a little. This the nice piece of fielding, keeping the batsman honest.
Then a dot ball. So this over was maiden. Pressure building on once again, squeezing in dot deliveries there.
Very good pressure. It'll be interesting to see how Azmatullah Omarzai responds. In pretty good form, scoring runs domestically. Another youngster plays with Gobaz, played for Pakistan under-19 together.
But it's a different thing. Playing international cricket and reaching the similar kind of composer, it's all right to have the composer and executing your shots or building innings or playing big shots or putting together that score at the domestic level. But when you go to the next level, especially on debut, you have the best possible temperament there, but on debut it's a different thing. The nervousness, it plays a part.
You've got to be brilliant under pressure to score runs on debut.
And you were brilliant getting 100 on.
To get that in. Here is 100 from a very promising young player, Gobaz. All the shots in the book, from what I can see, very leg side dominant at the moment. Plays the full shot against the quicks. And when he got the opportunity to hit the spinners down the ground, he grabbed that opportunity.
All right. Once again, the dot deliveries continue here in up. The Gubas batting against the seam. Most of the runs to the onside behind the square.
Leg side dominant, without a doubt. But he's a young, developing player. I'm sure he's going to develop an offside games.
Driven down the ground. He's going to open his account. 41 overs bowled here. It's 2-6 for 6.
Some climate experts say time is running out unless we seriously change our habits.
Fortune favors the fool. IKEA, the wonderful everyday.
So it's 206 for 6 in 41 overs. Batting against the spin hasn't been good, despite of having plenty of world-class spinners in their team. They get the opportunity to practice in the nets, but it's a different thing when it comes to match situation, and especially concentration routines that they need in the match situations. This should be a good contest. off spinner in operation against Azmatullah. We take him on. Shot down the ground.
Well, that's an interesting shot from Omazai, because he did what should be done. Didn't get too far across on the offside, which takes that leg slip, the dangerous leg slip, completely out of the game. He punched it down, no danger whatsoever back down to Brownfields.
Captain is strengthening the onside field on the boundary. Wicket delivery. Will take a single. Yeah, he's in brilliant form, scoring runs in BBL. Also has the potential of stroking big. Rashid Khan. International T20 group, and he has chipped it straight back to the bowler. Simi Singh has a wicket.
More trouble for Afghanistan against the Irish off spinners. Singh, bowling fairly quickish ball, it might have held up a little, and the promising Omazai chipped it straight back. Omazai out, 2 of 10 balls, and he's done 287.